Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Roblox and signing in. This gives you access to account-level controls. Once signed in, click the gear icon or three dots, then choose Settings. Make sure you are on the correct account because Narrator settings are stored per account. Now locate the accessibility section. This is where voice features live. Don't skip checking whether you're on desktop or mobile because the interface slightly differs and the next steps depend on that platform. Next, navigate into Accessibility and find the Narrator or Screen Reader option. It might be labeled Voice Over on some devices. Toggle that switch to off. You should see the visual toggle change instantly. If Roblox asks for confirmation, accept it so the setting persists. Once done, close any running game session and restart Roblox so the engine reloads without narration. This ensures the change applies to current and future sessions and prevents the narrator from speaking mid-game. Finally, join a fresh game to verify that the narrator is actually off. Listen for any startup speech. If narration persists, clear the app cache or reinstall Roblox. Sometimes corrupted local files force old settings to remain. Make sure your device-level accessibility tools, like iOS VoiceOver or Android TalkBack, are also off because they can override app settings. If problems continue, sign out and back in to refresh account flags, then test again. That fixes most lingering toggles.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.